I bought and tested these embroidery machines for hats so you don't have to waste your money. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I've got the real scoop on the best options out there. Let's dive into these top picks. Product number 1, Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. When I first got my hands on the Brother SE700, I felt like a kid in a candy store. This machine is a hybrid of sewing and embroidery, making it the ultimate companion for anyone looking to personalize their hats. With 135 built-in designs and 103 stitches, I was able to create everything from intricate logos to simple monograms. The 4" by 4" hoop size was perfect for caps, and the wireless LAN feature really stood out. I could easily transfer designs from my computer using the design database transfer software. The ability to draw and create patterns right from my mobile device using the Artspira app was a game changer. The 3.7" touchscreen was intuitive. I could easily edit my designs, preview them, and even adjust the stitching order on the fly. Another feature I loved was the automatic needle threader. No more fumbling with the tiny needle hole. However, it's worth noting that while the SE700 is packed with features, it does come with a bit of a learning curve. For beginners, the sheer range of options can be overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, the creative possibilities are endless. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a machine that will last for years. On the downside, it is a bit on the heavier side at 15.6 pounds, and the 4" by 4" embroidery field might limit your larger projects. Still, if you're looking to step up your embroidery game, this machine is an excellent choice. Why buy it? Because it combines functionality and versatility, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about embroidery. Product number 2, New BroThread Puffy Foam. I recently tried the new BroThread Puffy Foam, and let me tell you, it adds a whole new dimension to my embroidery projects. This isn't just any foam. It's designed specifically for creating that sought-after 3D effect on hats and garments. With 15 color options, I was able to match my thread colors perfectly, which added a professional touch to my designs. The foam is 3 mm thick, just the right size to create a raised effect without being too bulky. I loved how easy it was to cut the foam into smaller pieces for my caps while still having enough for larger projects. The instructions provided were straightforward, and I appreciated the tips on getting the best results, like using a matching bobbin thread. The foam is also machine washable, which is a must for any product I use. However, I learned the hard way to avoid over-drying after washing. While it's a small downside, I'd recommend keeping that in mind. Why buy it? Because if you want to elevate your embroidery with a stunning 3D effect, this foam is an affordable and effective solution. Product number 3, HTVRONT Auto Hot Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Hot Press Machine is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to press hots quickly and efficiently. I was amazed by how this machine works. Just a single touch and it automatically applies the perfect pressure and timing. This feature is especially helpful if you're running a small business or doing custom designs for events. The dual hot platens that come with it allow you to switch between adult and kid sizes seamlessly, which is a huge plus for versatility. I've pressed everything from trucker hats to beanies, and the results have been consistently professional. The smart presets are another fantastic feature. I could save my favorite settings for different materials, which sped up my workflow significantly. Plus, the touchscreen interface made it easy to adjust settings on the fly. On the flip side, the pressure it applies is strong, over 80 kg, so it's crucial to ensure your materials are compatible to avoid damage. Why buy it? Because it streamlines the hot pressing process, allowing for quicker production without sacrificing quality. Product number 4, the Vevor 4-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The Vevor 4-in-1 Heat Press Machine is a versatile tool that every embroidery enthusiast should consider. When I first set it up, I was impressed by the array of heating pads it comes with, allowing me to work with various hat styles, baseball caps, bucket hats, you name it. The larger heating plate is a game changer. It covers more area, which means fewer passes and a faster job overall. The digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing me to monitor both temperature and time easily. I was able to set the heat to my desired level without fussing around, which saved me time on multiple projects. The ergonomic handle is comfortable, making every press feel effortless. One thing to note though is that the machine can get quite heavy, especially if you're moving it around frequently. It's also important to pay attention to the temperature. Too high can damage lighter materials. Why buy it? Because it offers an affordable yet effective solution for those wanting to create custom hats with ease and precision.
Product number 5. Poulin EOC06 Embroidery Machine. The Poulin EOC06 embroidery machine truly caters to those who want more than just a basic model. From the moment I unboxed it, I was struck by its robust design and a generous 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery area. This means I could tackle larger projects without feeling restricted. The included hoops were a great touch, providing multiple options for different designs. Transferring my custom designs was a breeze thanks to the USB and wireless options, and I was able to get started right away. The 7-inch touchscreen was extremely responsive, making it easy to navigate through the settings and designs. I was particularly impressed with the InStitch i3 software, which allowed me to edit and combine patterns effortlessly. However, I did find that the weight of the machine at 35 pounds made it a bit cumbersome to move around, so you'll want to find a dedicated space for it. Additionally, the learning curve for beginners might be steeper compared to simpler models. Why buy it? Because it's a powerhouse for anyone serious about embroidery, offering a wide range of features and capabilities that can take your hat designs to the next level.
So there you have it, my top picks for embroidery machines for hats. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether you're looking for versatility, ease of use, or advanced features. Choose based on your needs, and you can't go wrong.